Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV17 is making a strange noise while cleaning, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing motor, which can lead to decreased performance and potential further damage if left unchecked. Ignoring these signs could result in more costly repairs down the line, so it's essential to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a set of Torx screwdrivers, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson SV17. Begin by ensuring your Dyson is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Start by removing the dust canister and any attachments. Next, use your Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. Carefully lift the casing away from the main body, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the casing is removed, you will be able to see the motor assembly. The motor is typically secured with additional screws. Locate these screws and remove them with your screwdriver. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the motor. Remember to note where each cable connects for reassembly later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old motor is free, take your new motor and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, ensuring it is tightly fastened to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly attached and in the correct positions. After everything is secured, carefully place the casing back onto the vacuum, ensuring all clips are engaged and that there are no gaps. Replace the screws at the back of the unit to hold everything in place. Finally, plug in your Dyson and power it on to verify that the strange noise has been eliminated and that it's functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and brush roll. Additionally, avoid using your Dyson on excessively dirty surfaces, as this can strain the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.